of course we've got Hiccup. Have you all met Hiccup?
Not yet.
You haven't met Hiccup?
Not yet.
Why not?
It's very, very popular.
It's very popular. Listen, wait, here, I'll say this sometime. You ready? You ready for this? All right, wait, who am I? Who am I right now, huh? Oh, wait. Ah, gee, hey, big baby boo. Sorry, Gober. Oh, that's him right there. All right. There you go. It's like you just met him.
I love it. Thank you.
Yeah, you'll never meet him over here. I promise you that. Yeah, the one place he avoids is any type of work that he's got to do. He's too busy shaking hands, kissing baby Broncos over there in the patio. So